In this video, I'm going to show you how to file your income taxes with T5008. So for this, you will need the TurboTax Canadian version, of course, and then you want to go to Google and type in TurboTax T5008. And from here, one of the first websites will be TurboTax Canada T5008 Slip Statement of Securities Transactions. So you just want to click on that. And then from here, on their official website, as you can see, it says everything about the T5008. You can read all about it if you want to over here. But then at the very top, it says start filing. And this is where you can actually start filing and get the T5008 slip. So click on here. And then from here, you'll be directed over here inside your TurboTax. So you want to choose your TurboTax product. You can either do the TurboTax online, so you can do it by yourself, or you can get the full service or the assist and review. Basically, you can read all about the features over here. You can decide which plan you want to take. I'm going to go with this one right now, and I'm going to click on Get Started. But of course, you can select whichever one you want. The process from here on will be exactly the same. However, in these options, you will get a few more assistance and a bit more help. So over here, click Get Started, or whichever you want. And after you do that, you'll be directed to the sign up page. Now, in case you don't have an account yet, you will have to create one over here. Put in your email, user ID, password, and phone number, and then create an account. And then you'll be able to basically sign in. But if you do have an account, you'll be able to just click sign in up here, top right. And then you'll be able to just select your account and sign in. So for me, over here, I have an account already. It says great to see you again, and I will have to start a new 2024 return. So I'm just gonna click continue over here, but for you, if this is the first time you've created your account, you'll be able to just click continue and answer some of the basic questions regarding your tax situation, etc. There we go. So these are the ones. Which of these apply to you in 2024? You have to answer these general, employment, home and family, and then investments and rental property questions over here. I will just click something so we can go to the next page. But for you, of course, you will have to put in all your real information because you have to do this. Now, you want to click continue. And then you can select if you need any help. You can click I want a tax expert to do it for me. Or, of course, you can select the middle option, or you can do it on your own, whichever. Press continue. And then after that, as you can see, you can then start either for free, or you can also choose the expert to help you, or the basic one again. Now, when you select which one you want, you can start it. And then from here, you'll get some questions. So it's going to load your information in. And then there we go. You'll have to basically answer who are you preparing this return for. You'll have to answer that. And on here, you will have to tell them a bit more about yourself. So you'll have to put in your first name, last name, middle name, etc. And then when you continue, you'll have to put in more of your addresses, information, and it will basically just guide you through it. And then eventually, you will come to the T5008 slip, and you will have to put in some information about that as well. And just like that, you'll be able to file your income taxes with the T5008 slip. Now, you can also get help up here and live tax advice if you need it, so you can click on either of these two windows. With the help window, you will get access to this help bot over here, which, there we go, once it loads up, you can ask it different questions. And then you can also get live tax advice if you want to by clicking on this button. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.